Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for any car owner or DIY mechanic, the Autel AL519 OBD2 scanner. If you've ever had a check engine light pop up and wondered what it meant, this device is for you. Stick around as we unbox it, test it, and see if it's worth the hype. Autel develops more new features in AutoLink AL519 based on the old AL319 MS309, instead of just reading and clearing codes. This AL519 OBD2 scanner can perform full OBD2 functions mode 1 to 10 and provide quick DTC Lookup and live data in text and graph. It can also retrieve generic PO, P2, P3, and UO, manufacturer-specific P1, P3, and U1 codes and pending codes, car VIN hash, turn off CL, check readiness status, locate bad parts like AO2 sensor, do a VAP leak test, etc. Autel AL519 OBD scanner can perform all 10 modes of OBD tests for complete OBD2 diagnosis, including read codes, erase codes, view live data, patented one-click smog check, freeze frame data, auto monitor test, onboard monitor test, component test, view vehicle information, module present. AL519 scanner is the most complete and cost-effective OBD2 code reader. AL519 OBD diagnostic tool features patented one-click smog check, easy-to-read avometer to test voltage, continuity and current at the fingertip. Capable of diagnosing 12 volts charging systems, starting systems and condition of discharged battery, memory, battery backup for data review and data printing via PC for further analysis. Autel AutoLink AL519 car diagnostic tool supports all OBD2 protocols: KWP200, ISO 2000, ISO 9141, J1850VPW, J1850PWM and CA. And Autel AL519 can work on almost all OBD-compliant vehicles, post-1996 for cars sold in the US, post-2006 for EU-based, and post-2009 for Asia-based cars. Autel AL519 portable diagnostic scan tool comes with lifetime free updates and 12-month warranty and 30-day free return, replacement and 24/7 tech support. You can download the newest software anytime. Besides, the print data function allows printing out diagnostic data recorded by the scan tool or customized test reports by connecting the scan tool to a PC or laptop with the USB cable supplied. Pros: easy to use, works on most cars, provides clear definitions, audible speaker, affordable. And cons: doesn't support ABS or airbag diagnostics, limited advanced features. Overall, for a dyer or a regular car owner, this scanner is a great investment. So, is the Autel AL519 OBD2 scanner worth it? If you want a reliable, easy-to-use tool to diagnose car issues and avoid costly trips to the mechanic, then absolutely. If you're interested, I've dropped the link in the description for more details and where to buy. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car gadget reviews, and let me know in the comments what OBD2 scanner you use. See you in the next video.